Welcome back to my shed, and in this video we're going to be making a shoe rack. Start off by selecting all my wood offcuts and then all trim them down so they're all the same width. And then also grab some of the bigger pieces as well and cut them down too. Have a nice selection of wood there. Now I am sorting it all out so I have enough wood to do each panel of the shoe rack. Now I'm just going to be trimming off any of the excess just so it's not so much excess hanging out on one side. Quickly do that with the circular saw, checking everything is wide enough, and then we're getting ready to do the glue up. There was so much gluing up done on this project that it took quite a while to get all the panels glued and ready. I'm back at the table saw cutting more out, sorting more wood out, getting ready to do another glue up. Sorting out all the offcuts now to do the smaller pieces for the vertical parts of the shoe rack. Didn't quite have enough, so I'm back at the table saw cutting a few more pieces. And just like magic, they're all done. Now it's time to scrape off any glue. I had a lot of problems getting all the glue scraped off, so I then hit it with a belt sander and then ran it through the fixer. Now I'm back at the table saw and trimming them all down so they're all the same width. Giving them all a square edge. Working out which one's the best pieces to put at the top of each panel. Now this is where I messed up and left it turned on at the wall, and it got away on its own. Luckily I caught it. Now I blast it with the sander. Filled in a few holes with sawdust and some glue. Carried on doing some sanding. And then the 3 pillars I just cut, I now have torched them to give them the black charred effect. Now I'm giving them a quick coat of the Danish oil mix I have, just to help seal in any of the char so your hands don't get black from touching them. Now I'm starting to glue the shoe rack together. I had to start by gluing the middle together, so that way I could then put the pillar in and then put the support screw in the pillar and dowel it. Otherwise, due to the design, I wouldn't be able to do that if I started from the bottom or the top and made a way up or down. So I had to start in the middle for this. A lot of checking of that little square. Just marking out where I want to put the screws. Putting it down, so I've now screwed them, add some glue and glue the dowel in. Give a quick cut with the Japanese saw. Do a little repair there where it blew out when I drilled the hole. Quick sand on top to finish it off. Now I'm gluing the pillar on. Because it's end grain, I put a bit of glue on, then gave it a minute or two and added a bit more glue. Put it together clamped. Now just double checking the spacing for where to put the pillar with my shoe. Now add this in place, put a couple of squares on to make sure it's square. Clamped it down. Now adding the screw and the dowel. So as you can see, that's now got the full part of the shoe rack done. Now I'll be adding the base and then the top. I've added this extra piece here because I had a blowout in the last one I did. It should stop anything from blowing out because there's a support there now. So again, just adding screw and dowel. Now adding the base. Clamp that down, and then I would move on to do the top as well now. Flipped it over and now I'm doing the top. Checking spacing again on the shoe. Clamp it down. And add another screwing down. Give it a quick sand. Sand all the edges. And now I'll be ready to give it a coat of water-based varnish. Did the first coat and did everywhere. Now I added this back onto its back after this had dried, and then added the 4 feet and then gave it another coat of varnish. It is now finished. I am happy with the outcome. I think it looks great. All the different colours of wood go together really well, and then with the charred pillars, I think it just goes nicely together. If you like the video and want to give it a thumbs up, that'd be nice. If you want to see what else I get up to in the shed, then find me over on Instagram. The link will be down below. And thank you for watching. If you enjoy my content and you feel like liking my channel, that would also be great. And I will see you on the next video.